Hello everyone, today we will compare Monarch Money and EveryDollar, two popular budgeting apps in the world. So, Monarch Money is a comprehensive finance app that offers a powerful budgeting tools just like any competitors, while EveryDollars on the other hand, created by Ramsey Solution, is a straightforward budgeting apps that follows the zero-based budgeting method. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created the presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up to Monarch Money or EveryDollar, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go to the features comparison. So when it comes to budgeting methodology, Monarch Money offers flexible budgeting periods such as monthly, weekly, or custom, while EveryDollar, as you can see, they have zero-based budgeting. When it comes to transaction tracking, Monarch Money has automated categorization and savings, while EveryDollar has manual transaction entry and tracking. When it comes to financial planning, Monarch Money has comprehensive financial overview, which is cash flow, debt, net worth, and goals, while EveryDollar has goal-oriented with focus on debt payoff. So when it comes to another feature, which is user interface, Monarch Money has visual representation of financial data, while EveryDollar has intuitive and user-friendly budgeting interface. When it comes to additional features, Monarch Money offers financial literacy tools, investment analysis, while EveryDollar has automatic bank syncing only on Plus version and financial education resources. So when it comes to usability, Monarch Money is preferred for users seeking in-depth financial management, while EveryDollar is preferred for suitable for straightforward people that focus on budgeting. So that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to the pricing comparison. So when it comes to subscription model, Monarch Money is a subscription base with full feature access, while EveryDollar has free version available and they have plus version with additional features. So when we talk about the monthly fee, Monarch Money has it, yes, for all features for only 14.99 US dollars, while EveryDollar has plus version requires a fee of for 12.99 US dollars. So that's it. So when it comes to reversion, as you can see, Monarch Money does not have reversion, while EveryDollar is available with only limited features. And when it comes to the features in paid version, Monarch Money offers comprehensive financial tools and investment analysis, while EveryDollar has automatic bank syncing and phone support on their Plus version. So that's it for the pricing. Now let's go directly to the customer and support. And when it comes to customer availability, Monarch Money has responsive team prompt in addressing user queries, while EveryDollar customer support is available for EveryDollar plus user only. And when it comes to support channels, Monarch Money has multiple channels, so email and in-app messaging, etc. While EveryDollar also the same, they have email support, phone support for only plus users. And when it comes to user education, Monarch Money has financial literacy tools and resources, while EveryDollar has Financial Peace University for plus users. And last but not the least, community support. Monarch Money, they don't have specific community support, while EveryDollar, they have an access to community of users. So that's it for the key features, pricing, and customer support comparison. Now let's go to the pros and cons, and let's start by discussing the Monarch Money pros and cons. So when it comes to Monarch Money pros, Monarch Money has all-in-one personal finance platform. They track expenses, net worth, and financial goals. They sync with over 11,000 banks, credit cards, loans, and more. They have unlimited customization for spending categories. They have excellent under-the-hood technology and compelling visuals. They focus on short and mid-term goals planning. And lastly, they are named one of the best budgeting apps in 2024. And when it comes to cons, Monarch Money is subscription based, which means no free version available. And not all financial institution may be partnered with it. And also, they don't have any credit score monitoring. And lastly, they may not be the best fit for crypto investors. So that's it for the Monarch Money pros and cons. So now let's go directly to every dollar's pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, every dollar is easy to read visuals and clear workflow. They have that. And their paid tier includes access to other Ramsey Plus services, which is good. They have user-friendly interface and it simplifies the budgeting process. And lastly, they have free version available for users to try out before purchasing additional features. So when it comes to cons, every dollar's free version is very limited, and paid version is pricier than the most. And of course, confusing interface, they have that between every dollar and Ramsey Plus, and they does not allow credit card connection for budgeting purposes. And lastly, some third-party services providers may be questionable. So that's it for the every dollar's pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's talk about which platform is the best fit for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Monarch Money. So Monarch Money is preferable for those looking for an all-in-one personal finance platform that can track expenses, investment, and financial goals. They are perfect for users who prefer customization in their budgeting and financial tracking. They are perfect for people who value a comprehensive financial overview, including net worth and cash flow analysis. And they're perfect for individuals, for couples who want to collaborate on financial planning. And lastly, they are perfect for users who are comfortable with a subscription based model and do not require a free version. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend that you choose Monarch Money. So now let's go to we should choose every dollar. So every dollar is referable for users who are new to budgeting and prefer a simple back to basics budgeting tools. Are perfect for those who follow Dave Ramsey's baby step for financial independence and want a budgeting tools that align with his philosophy. They are referable for individuals looking for a free version to try out before committing to a paid subscription. And lastly, for people who want a budgeting app that is easy to use and helps in quickly setting up a budget. So, if you have all of this quality, I recommend that you choose Every Dollar. So, in conclusion, both platforms, Monarch Money and Every Dollar, offers a powerful tools for managing your personal finances. Monarch Money stands out with its comprehensive features and flexibility, making it a great choice for those looking for an all-in-one solution. And on the other hand, every dollar excels in its simplicity and ease of use, perfect for those who prefer a straightforward budgeting approach. So ultimately, the best tools depends on your individual needs and preferences. So that's it for the comparison. And I hope this comparison helps you choose a correct option for your financial future. And that's it for today's video and see you in the next one.